4 years in DN Nagar. I started because of some family problems and all. So now I am practicing in DN Nagar, Andheri West. And thanks to Sneha, because I joined Iconic Group because of her. She introduced me to Iconic Group. That's how I met Dr. Vaishali ma'am and all of you. Thank you so much. I'm blessed to be part of this.
Dr. Nisha Desai, born and brought up Ahmedabad. After marriage, I have done ICR and Dr. Manoj Patel and Gayatri Patel is in Vilepalli. So I was working with him. But then due to kids and all, I stopped. And then right now I am practicing skin hair laser cosmetology and homeopathy in Vilepalli East since almost 10 years. And Varsha Patel is a colleague, my colleague in college. She introduced me to Dr. Vaishali and that's how I connected with you and Dr. Vaishali.
Sneha Patel, MD in homeopathic medicine. I'm a CMPA, right? No, ma'am was my teacher. And I was under the mentorship of Dr. Kamlesh Mehta. I worked with him for around 4-5 years. Thereafter, I joined Welling. Homeopathy, I was a branch head there for 5 years. And now doing my private practice at Andheri at Malol, Vilepalli East, and Aldi. And I got introduced to Iconic through my friend Dr. Annapurna. She had sent me the link. And from there, I joined camps like pre-provision. So I was a part of the camp. And now I am a part of the doctor's cell also. I am Lok Sabha Pramukh with Sankat and Mukti. My area is from Parda to Bandra to Kalina.
Hi, namaste. I'm Dr. Ashita Nangaonkar from Panvel, CMPite again. And I got introduced by Mona ma'am. She's my teacher and we have a great bond since last more than that years in fact. And through that I got introduced to Vaishali ma'am and the camp system as well. I started coming to camps and from there I got many friends, I would say. And I practice in Panvel since last 7 years. I have also done MS in psychological counseling, so I take counseling patients as well as homeopathic patients both.
Smita Kamar, and I am from Father Mullah's College, Mangalore. So after marriage, I came to Bombay in 2001, and I worked with Dr. Vaknaria Shivaji Mandir and Parla for 2 years, and then I took a long hiatus of almost 15 years because of personal issues, family reasons. So although I used to study my books and all that, and in 2014 I started practicing again. So right now I'm practicing at Khar at Mahavir Hospital. I'm a consultant at Juhu in Rotary Club Juhu. And I met Vaishali through Dr. Shri Priya, who introduced me in the Iconic Group. And she's the best thing that happened to me actually. Because she gave us the opportunity to serve. That's very important.
Good.
Thank you so much.
I've been practicing in Thane since 22 years and I joined this group through Dr. Shakti Panwar from Uttarakhand. He was my friend and all of a sudden when I joined this group, it was like the posture came. Now you are an asset of this group. So the journey was like, oh, where I have come to. And I have done my BHMS from, I am an alumni of CMT College and basically I practice through mind method. So then the journey along with this hospitality, Dr. Vaishali, I could say the psyche, understanding of each and every person and through all these group people, one thing we have learned that discipline and unity that stands through and with this homeopathy will reach its heights par excellence. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ekta Chotai. Basically I was from Maharashtra, that is Jalgaon. Studied BHMS from Pune, Dondu Mama Sate, and then MD from Aurangabad, Foster Homeopathy College. Then in the Jalgaon only itself, I practiced for 2 years homeopathy. Came to the Mumbai, there I was consultant in Lions Club for 2 years in Ghatkopar. Then we shifted to Bangalore. Bangalore also I have 2 years for practice. I went to the one trust, Sai Baba Trust. There I practiced homeopathy. And then we shifted again to Vadodara. actually. So in Vadodara, I was associated professor of like anatomy, and I used to teach medicine subject also. And now we came here in the Thane since last 1 year. So now again here I am practicing homeopathy and plus counseling. I have done counseling course also. In multi-specialty hospital, I go as a consultant and I have my personal online practice. Just because of the kid, there is no, I mean, personal clinic is not there still there, but online consultation is going on.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much.
Tarasi Sabnis. I am basically from the Konkan. After shifting to Mumbai, I am practicing both allopathy and homeopathy. And now I am working at the Dindosh area clinic, and with the at the Mahape, 2 IT companies I am doing consulting homeopathy also. And I am doing also Reiki master and Reiki practice since 10 years.
Myself, Dr. Alka Joshi. I'm working as a GP and the homeopath since last 20 years at the Pura village, Malad, Islam area. I met with Vaishali with the help of Tanuja and you all. Thank you. Thanks.
Very difficult way of practice.
Yeah.
Very difficult.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mona Parmar,
Fighting.
and so I did my internship in the year 2000, and I started my practice right from there. And for 5 years I did my practice, and then in 2005 I met Dr. Devadiga. He told me to join CMP as a lecturer, and that's how my journey started as a teacher. So from 2005 till 2017, I taught in the Department of Organon of Medicine and Psychology. So there it was a very good experience, because a person who is so shy and so very quiet suddenly came into a field where you have to talk in front of 100 people was little challenging for me. But I think my students only helped me, and it was a lovely experience in those 12-13 years. After that, I've been practicing since 2000, and then in 2000, I think a year back only, I just saw that Vaishali has just boomed out of somewhere, and I was like, "Arey, suddenly this girl who was so shy, so naive, and suddenly she is a part of a group, and she is leading that group." So I said, I definitely want to be a part of that group, and that's how I contacted her, and I came into this group, and I think this is the best thing which has happened to me in so many years. And I practice basically pure homeopathy, and I have done MSc in counseling psychology also. Basically, I was getting into MBBS, frankly speaking. When I got my 12th percentage, I was getting in JJ, and I was getting in Nair. And twice I got a call from Nair, and the final call they said that either you come tomorrow or else the seat will be gone. So I said no, and the next day was CMP interview. I said I don't want to join Nair, I'll go to CMP. And that's how
Myself, Dr. Mrunmayee Modak. I'm practicing since last 9 years. Basically, my practice is online, and I'm practicing in Mumbai and Pune, both. I'm a classical homeopath and assisted Dr. Borkar, Dr. Nikhil Kamli, and also Dr. Vaishali Bhide. And right now I'm practicing by myself, and even doing yoga therapy, especially for the cases like PCOS, PCOD, hypothyroidism. As well, I'm working for pregnant women, doing Garbha Sanskar and pregnancy infertility cases, dealing with yoga, pure yoga. And in case if needed with medication, then applying the homeopathic treatment over there in those cases. Thank you.
So namaskar, I am Dr. Vaishali Bhide. You are all my family, but my father is an allopathic doctor and my younger brother is a spine surgeon. So when I was in my 12th standard, I wanted to do BDS actually. Then my father told me it is not BDS, you will be doing homeopathy. So I asked him why homeopathy. So he said homeopathy is the science of the future. I said how you will say that? He said the present belongs to the bacteria and the future belongs to viruses and fungi, and that is why homeopathy is the science of the future, because in the future we are going to have only those problems. And with that thought, he put me into homeopathy, and the day I entered in the college, I knew I was going to practice this, and so I was focused from day one. When I came out, I did a lot of work. I educated myself too much. My teachers would tell me, अभी बंद कर दो, अभी practice शुरू कर दो, बहुत हो गया, सब थोड़ी पढ़ोगे. So I started my practice. I practiced for 16 years, and I was a very successful practitioner and very happy actually with that. So then dad said me, okay, now this is what you have done for yourself. So what have you done for the society? So I told him, when the patient gets better, it's for the society only. He's a part of the society only. He said, no, you got your 5th rank, but there was a college already in place because of which you could go and educate yourself there. Otherwise, what was the use of your talent? So the society has kept a system in place where you will go and use your talent. If that system was not in place, then you would be as raw as anybody. So now you have to give back and help that system grow a little more. So it's like doing your bit for the system. So then the first thing, हमको homeopathy सूझता है. So the first thing I said, okay, I'll give back to my own fraternity. So the books that were in my PC, I thought I'll first publish them. So the first book which you all know is Unlocking the Boger Synoptic Key Part 1. It has the essence of 11 authors on the most commonly prescribed medicines, all polychrist medicines. So that's why I published that, because as young doctors, 1 or 2 year pass out, we don't read those books at all. Herring's Guiding itself has 12 pages per, and Allen's Encyclopedia is even more difficult because it is the Purva's language. So all the good part remains unread, and we are out to practice and help the world. So that let me get it together, so that when a junior doctor opens one book, he has access to 11 books. So let's save his time, but make sure he reads it, because we could not read it in our time because of the volume. Then a few months later, I published the second book, which was on critical cases. So basically, there is a patient, we all saw in COVID, now we got calls from here and there, we did not have their full cases, but we were supposed to prescribe. In such cases, how do you prescribe? Because a doctor who has finished 8 to 10 years of practice will get such calls. And then you cannot say, nahi, full case nahi hai, we need 40 minutes, because there were so many patients with oxygen here and there, right? So then I sat down with the MRI reports and other CT scan reports, and then there were other cases also, stroke cases, other cases, CVA and everything. So then I was like, now I have to publish the next, where you sit in your house, you have no access to the patient is almost a gone case, or very critical case where everybody has lost hope, but still you have to do your bit, because we have medicines. Our problem is a problem of plenty. इतनी दवाई है कि क्या देने का? So then you read that MRI or CT and come down to a group of medicines and then ask a few questions, 4-5 questions, and get down to the medicine. So that is how the second book was published, Unlocking the Boger Synoptic Key Part 2. This is a book actually used for critical cases. Now third I am coming up with is another for cancer, which is actually my experience of 16 years and my father's of 10 years. So it's almost 25-26 years of experience in treating only cancer cases, different types of cancer. So basically the doctor who has no access to this will sit in his clinic and become a stronger doctor, because a homeopath usually has a problem कि उतना efficient knowledge नहीं था, लेकिन बड़ी case आ गई. We all know that when we crack a big case, we get 5 more cases, which are probably a smaller pathology. But for that we have to be equipped, right? We have to be confident. Many times we know, but we are not confident. So when you have such database behind you, you can become more and more confident. So that is the first thing, is empowering the homeopathic doctor to stay in this science and to do more. Then I thought, why not connect the junior most doctor to the senior most doctor? So I went to my college actually, and I said कि मुझे lecture लेना है, एक book publish कर दिया है. They said नहीं, full timers ही allowed है अभी, there is nothing we can do. So I said, okay, now let's sit at home and make an organization online where everybody connects to everybody and learns. So that's how IWHB, Iconic Women Homeopath Bharat Group, came into a role where all female doctors, and the reason for female doctors also, a few people had told me that जैसे जैसे organization बड़ा हो गया, the top position females were removed. So what we kept is, we didn't want this only, so it was kept only for females. All of us connect online and we learn. So basically the youngest doctor gets the practice and the experience from the oldest in the profession. As we all know, some people are doing good work in infertility, somebody in autism, somebody in cancer, XYZ. So we basically contribute to the pool and all of us grow together. सबका साथ सबका विकास. If we keep that thing to ourselves, even we will not get what the opposite person is doing good at. So the more you pour in the pool, we all get better. And finally, this is for homeopathy. We are not going anywhere else. We are empowering our own science, which has actually given meaning to our life and our patients' lives. So we have to grow together. So this was done for the fraternity. So then he doesn't let me rest. He said, और क्या? What do you think is what does the society feel about homeopathy? I said, पहले तो awareness कम था, but now we are getting better. He said, no. Then I joined Ma Sheela Clinic. So that clinic it is based in a very low socio-economic area. So वहाँ पे ऐसे 5-6 patient आते थे homeopathy के लिए. So then we sat, we prescribed. Within a year, we have come down to 70 to 80 patients. So now these are patients who directly go to the medical, ask for a crocin. Now they directly come to us and say, नहीं ये नहीं वो दे दो. So in the same clinics, 2 pathies are running. Evening में allopathy, morning में homeopathy. Sundays we are working there. So that is covered up. So then there is another class which cannot come to us. See, when you are trying to spread a science, the low socio-economic is very important class. Because they are also going to be a part of the chain reaction which is going to spread the knowledge कि हाँ ये भी काम करता है. इतना छोटा दिखता है लेकिन काम करता है. So then we said we'll approach people who cannot come to us. So that is how we decided to go to the ashrams. Because they cannot come to us and stand in your OPD. So we started Anath Ashram, Destitutes. All you people joined me. पहले कैसा था, we went to the ashram and I knew there were 30 cases. We are homeopathic doctors. First new case के लिए हमको 40 मिनट लगता है. So I would go with 5 doctors, what would happen to us? So then that is when I put the message across and all of you good people joined me, and from one camp went to another camp, and the highest camp we all did together was 100, where the small kids have come. So basically now we have gone to people who cannot even come to us. तो अभी ऐसा कोई क्लास बाकी नहीं where we have left कि बाबा होम्योपैथी काम करता है, we are a credible science, we are also science, we also take your chief complaint, we also come to the diagnosis, we are giving you treatment. So we have gone out all guns blazing to support our science. And first things first, I want to thank all of you because you people have made this possible. If Vaishali alone thinks कि नहीं कल जाके कैम्प करना है, कुछ नहीं कर सकता. I cannot do anything because I need support from all of you and which come directly in front. So all of you are actually working towards the same cause of humanity and spreading homeopathy. And I am so thankful because I couldn't have done this otherwise. And I have now gone one step further. I was approached by podcasters to make a podcast on homeopathy. So we have talked everything about homeopathy, how homeopathy is, how it is spread, and why we are still science which is not recognized and everything. So I am doing everything in my capacity to educate people, common people, that we are a credible science, we are cheap, in fact we are affordable, we are giving medicine which are sweet and they are making sense, plus there is a law of cure which usually you don't find anywhere. I even mentioned that in the podcast. If that is our beauty, the quality of cure is that is how we separate ourselves. Again I have said there also कि we have a problem of plenty. इतनी सारी दवाई इतना बड़ा case taking करते हैं हम लोग. So I have mentioned everything. So I want all of you also to make videos and let's take the science further. And we are going to do more and more things for homeopathy. I was thinking that most of you will feel I am politically motivated, and that is why I am starting the cell. 2 people from IWA contacted me. Ma'am, is this a political stunt? And are you turning into like that? I said nothing doing. This is a doctor cell. It is only for the camp. So basically where we would only go as homeopathic doctors. Now we will be joined by allopathic doctors, dental branch people. And now we will make more effective camps. That's how when the first camp came, it was somebody had suggested go to Manpot. It was a juvenile home for even the specially abled. So I said 300 people, how we will take cases? So then we decided that we will do on the platform of Shiv Sena Doctor Cell. And so many of you were there. And so we could handle 327 special cases. This was homeopathy and humanity both. One step ahead. So that's how now I am requesting more and more people to join the Shiv Sena Doctor Cell so that we can do more work for humanity. We don't earn any money in this, but the goodwill that we earn will be counted much more in the long run. And I am thankful for all of you. Thank you so much.
Because of you, we have got the opportunity to serve the society.
That's the best thing that happened.
I was already thinking
only because of you.
Thank you.
That angle
Same
was
here.
added because of Dr. Vaishali.
Let's all work together. Homeopath is what difference.
Hello all, I'm Dr. Priyanka Matkar and I practice in Goregaon. I met Dr. Vaishali I think in 2022. I actually like the way she used to be with her patients. She is a wonderful personality actually, not a bossy kind of person. So I just loved her.
We enjoyed our
I
tea
love
together.
Yeah, we enjoyed. And so this is now I am connected with her.
Hello, I'm Dr. Varsha Vichare. I am practicing since almost 10 to 12 years. I am practicing here only, near Shivaji Park. I met Dr. Vaishali, actually she is my senior at Dr. Borkar's clinic. We were, I think, two years senior to me. I think she is the most sincere person in homeopathy. She taught me a lot of things, how to study, how to take the case, what to see in the patient, how to take fast cases. That's how I learned all the things from her. Actually, I was assisting one of the infertility clinic, so I know most of the things what happens in the infertility clinic. So I was there with the Dr. Kedar Galla, he is the infertility specialist. So almost 5 to 6 years I assisted him. So I want to basically treat the patients of infertility with the homeopathic approach.
हेलो, आई एम डॉक्टर रुचि मेहता. मैं कांदिवली में प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ. मैंने 2005 से मेरा प्रैक्टिस शुरू किया हुआ है एंड आई एम अ लैक्टेशन काउंसलर एज वेल, लाइक जो ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग के लिए प्रमोशन करते हैं एंड न्यूट्रिशन. आई प्रैक्टिस क्लासिकल होम्योपैथी and Dr. Vaishali se I met during, I was very interested in attending any charity camps, like doing something for the people and learning as well. So that's how I got to know Dr. Vaishali and since then हमारी journey बहुत अच्छी बढ़ रही है. I got to know so many friends, people and want to promote homeopathy and give lot of charity work. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Dr. Santosh Joshi and I've been practicing homeopathy for the last 25 years. And we also work in the autism space for the last 17 years. And we have seen a whole array in homeopathy from treating chronic cases to last stage, means people who are dying. We have been working in palliative cancer care also. It's a long journey for us in homeopathy and we have been lucky to work under a lot of stalwarts like Dr. Dhawle, Dr. Jawahar Shah and many homeopaths. And I have been lucky to work many of them. And our aim currently is to work with the autistic kids and help them with homeopathy and also in the autism space so that we can do something tangible in our lifetimes. And talking about Dr. Vaishali, it was a chance meeting. So we work with a lot of charity and destitutes. So when she said that the first camp for the dying destitutes, it really clicked with us and me and Dr. Varsha so joined her. And from there we did many camps together. And Uncle has been the backbone of our whole thing. Without him, it's not possible. And we think in the long run, we should work for the betterment of the society. And we wish Dr. Vaishali all the best for her future. And let's hope that we do something for the society in the long run. Thanks.
नमस्कार, जय महाराष्ट्र. मी डॉक्टर संतोष पाटील 99 पासून होमिओपॅथी प्रॅक्टिस करतो आहे. जवळजवळ आता 25-26 वर्ष झालेत. प्रेडिक्टिव्हला पण जॉईन आहे आणि त्याबरोबर मी ॲक्युपंक्चरची पण प्रॅक्टिस करतो. नाशिक आणि चाळीसगाव 2 ठिकाणी प्रॅक्टिस करतो. हे जॉईन होण्याचे फेसबुक फ्रेंड रक्षा मॅडम, वैशाली मॅडम आमच्या खूप दिवसापासून आहेत. परंतु त्यांनी लास्ट याच्या वेळेस कॅम्पची हे टाकली त्यांनी की कोण कोण जॉईन होणार. मी जॉईन झालो आणि मागच्या वेळेस अटेंड केलं. तेव्हापासून कम्युनिटीशी जुळलो आहे. आणि महत्त्वाचं म्हणजे खास कारण येण्याचं म्हणजे शिंदे साहेबांवर खूप प्रेम आहे माझं. ते खूप त्यांना मी लाईक करतो, त्यामुळे इथं त्यासाठी आलेलो आहे. थँक्यू.
Hello, I am Dr. Varsha Patel Joshi. I am practicing as a classical homeopath since last 21 years. And also I am a nutritionist. I have done my master's in nutrition from University of Sheffield. So along with homeopathy and nutrition, working in the field of autism since past 17 years. And we have seen very good, tremendous results in these kids. Also, along with this, we have been doing a lot of awareness campaigns across India to make people aware about autism and trying to help people out because awareness is very important. Still, people don't know what autism is. So we are working into this space, and as we met Vaishali, our agendas are same, serving to the society. So we also joined her, apart from autism, helping others in the society for the betterment. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मी डॉक्टर मंजुषा मुंगळे. मी जवळजवळ 24-25 वर्ष होमिओपॅथिक प्रॅक्टिस करते मुंबईमध्ये. मी पुण्याची आहे आणि लग्न होऊन मी मुंबईत आले. तेव्हापासून मी एका ट्रस्टमध्ये जॉईन केलं जिथे मी डॉक्टर नीना मेहताकडे होमिओपॅथी शिकले. त्यांच्याकडे जवळजवळ दिवसाला 200 डॉक्टर्स बघण्याचा त्यांचा जो रॅपो आहे तो बघून मला खूप इन्स्पिरेशन वाटलं आणि आय जॉईंड देअर आणि त्यांच्याकडे मी खूप शिकले. आता त्यांच्याकडनं जे मला शिक्षण मिळालं की तू सर्व ह्युमॅनिटी आणि आय फील डीपली की यू शूड सर्व ह्युमॅनिटी. आणि वैशालीकडे जो म्हणजे मला जाण्याचा हेतू असाच होता तिच्यावर की शी हॅज दॅट इन्स्पिरेशन टू सर्व ह्युमॅनिटी अँड दॅट इज द ओनली रिझन आय एम विथ हर. थँक्यू.
हॅलो, माझं नाव डॉक्टर प्रवीण शंकर पवार. मी कुलाबाला राहायला आहे. आत्ता मी सध्या 6 महिने झाले मी प्रॅक्टिस सुरुवात केली. माझं भिडे मॅडमसोबत भेट आम्ही भांडूपच्या कॅम्पमध्ये झालं. तेव्हा माझी नवीन नियुक्ती झाली होती शिवसेना डॉक्टर सेलमध्ये ॲज अ कुलाबा विधानसभा उपप्रमुख म्हणून. चिल्ड्रन्स कॅम्प होतं ते. मॅडमचं ओरा होतं ते एकदम वेगळंच आहे, जे की ह्युमॅनिटी सर्व करतात. म्हणजे एक मॅडमच होते जे शेवटपर्यंत तिथं मेडिसिन जे देत होते. माझं मॅडमचा एक वाईफ जे आहे ते मॅच होतं आहे, त्यामुळं मी मॅडमला जुडलो आहे. आता जे काय मॅडम कॅम्प घेतात मी तिथं हाजीर राहीन मी. धन्यवाद.
इथे एक मिनिट मध्ये उभे
नाही
दुसरं पण होमिओपॅथी सोडून
येस आहे त्याच्यात.
नाही म्हणू शकत नाही.
This is something nobody refused. Nobody refused.
I really can't refuse. And now I'll touch her feet and she's symbolic to all of you.
आता सगळ्यांना वैशालीला मिठी मारायची फक्त लेडीज. वेलकम 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 सर वेलकम वेलकम. या अरे नाही इथे बसा सर.
प्रत्येक वर्ड आणि प्रत्येक पान आणि प्रत्येक सेक्शन प्रमाणे माहिती आहे. फाईल कुठे कुठे फिरली आहे, कुठल्या डिपार्टमेंटनं परत आली आहे, कुठल्या ज्युडिशरीमध्ये गेली आहे, DCMनी काय लिहिलंय, CMनी काय लिहिलंय, कशासाठी क्वेरी करून स्टे आणलेले. प्रत्येक स्टे, प्रत्येक तारीख, प्रत्येक सेक्शन यांना माहिती आहे आणि शेवटपर्यंत लढा दिला यांनी. नुसतं नाही, काही वर्षापूर्वी मला वाटतं 2 वर्षापूर्वी यांची तब्येत अगदी खालावलेली. ऑल रिपोर्ट्स नॉर्मल बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस, म्हणूनच ते परत उभे राहिले आणि अजूनही पूर्ण तब्येत चांगली नाही आहे त्यांची. बट ही सेड दिस इज वॉट आय वॉन्टेड टू डू. होमिओपॅथीसाठी करणार, कारण तो हक्क आहे. कारण सरकारनेच तो कोर्स आणलेला आहे, सरकारने फी घेतलेली आहे, सरकारने सगळं शिकवलेलं आहे आणि आता असं नाही होऊ शकत की ते नाही इम्प्लिमेंट होणार. त्यासाठी की चिंताजनक तब्येतीची प्रकृती असताना सुद्धा, परिस्थिती असताना सुद्धा ते भेटून राहिले. आणि म्हटलं तसं तुम्हाला जे क्वेश्चन्स आहेत एक एक पानासकट ते तुम्हाला उत्तर देऊ शकतात. स्टॉप कॉमर्स सगळं माहिती आहे त्यांना त्या सेक्शनमधलं आणि सगळ्या केसमधलं.
टाळ्या जोरदार टाळ्या. बरोबर लागतात, बरोबर लागतात. टाळ्या टाळ्या बंद करायची. लहान आहे.
रिपीट.